Welcome back. I'm Tedward. Welcome to the Honda Civic Type R. Not my Honda Civic Type R, because Honda was nice enough to loan me a Type R for the next few days while I'm here in Los Angeles. And now we're going to go rip up Angelus Crest to go to Good Vibes Breakfast Club, my favorite car meet in the world. Angelus Forest is a beautiful place with incredible roads, and up at the top there's a place called Newcomb's Ranch. Used to be a restaurant, no longer. There's the beautiful sign, but it is still sort of a mecca for car enthusiasts to go up every Friday and hang out. Now, a lot of folks know of this place because of Magnus Walker, but it was really made famous by Jay Ryan and his wife Nicole, who run the Late Night Playset, a podcast that I went on yesterday that I love to go on. These are great people. And they've done an amazing job of really bringing the car community together. So, the best part about this is that to get there, you have to drive this road. There's no way out. You have to go on this road to get to the top. And look, we've already got people leaving. Hopefully we're not too late. The car was delivered a little later than I wanted to, but that's okay. We're gonna survive it. God, I love this car. We're in individual mode. We've got sport suspension. Look at these guys. This is amazing. I love this place. Thank you. Car's still a little bouncy. Man, this is like the first time I've really got to rip in a Type R on a long sweeping road, because my car wasn't broken in before the winter hit. Now I'm on Blizzax. The car we drove out in California before, we just were on like some tighter stuff and racetracks, which of course was great. Ears are starting to pop, lots of elevation gain. I've been out driving Lamborghinis and Maserati MC20 and all kinds of incredible sports cars over the last few days. And it's incredible that I'm just so happy to be back in a Type R. Car culture in California, in Los Angeles in particular, is just unlike anything I've ever seen. Elevation 3,000 feet. People have such an appreciation for their cars. They pretty much live out of their cars here because you have to. You end up on the highways, the freeways all the time. But the enthusiast community here is just incredible and special, and it never fails to amaze me that this place is real and that you can come out and do this. And the fact that you could just like be on Angelus Crest, find yourself a Mark 7 GTI who's doing exactly what you're doing. How cool is that? Gotta be cautious for cyclists, of course. There are accidents out here sometimes, and they can be big ones. So, you've got to be aware that a flat tire or something just unexpected could happen and really ruin your day, ruin your good time. Oh, I haven't been up here in like 2 years. This is just amazing. There's absolutely nobody faster on these roads than locals. Locals, it doesn't matter. He's in a GTI, plenty of power, good thing. I mean, he's definitely on like less grippy tires than me, and he's pushing harder than I'm pushing. But like a local in like a pickup truck on a canyon road could probably waste me if I was in a GT3. Like, it's just insane the limits these guys push on their own roads, on their home turf, and it's shocking. You think the Nürburgring is a long track. You come out to some of these canyon roads, they go on forever. Cool. Oh, I love this Type R. A little bit of water, be cautious. I should have eaten something before coming up here, man. I'm starving. Hopefully, Jay still has some donuts left. Trust the loose gravel side. This car just brings such joy. What a nice escort up the hill, man. This is a good time. Cyclist. I can't imagine climbing this on a bike. That sucks. I used to cycle a lot. I never climbed anything quite this hairy. always a good idea to slow down for turnouts and parking lots where someone may be suddenly in your way at 0 mph. Feel the torque steer a little bit on power in this car. Hey, there's Magnus. Wow. Oh, the cars you see performing out here is just incredible. Look at the snow-capped mountains. I should have worn driving gloves. I'm getting a little sweaty. Maybe that Alcantara wheel has the advantage for long drives. Yeah, I am getting sweaty palms here. I gotta chill out and loosen up a little bit. That's the trouble when you drive hungry. There's Sally. A little dusty. Don't want to lose the rear here, man. Holy cow. Those cliffs are mighty real. It's amazing how, like, body language in a car makes a big difference. Like, this guy, he was really cooking on the way up, and he was going a little hard and a little nuts. I'm going to hold the same distance because I'm not trying to, like, compete with this guy. I'm not trying to, I mean, he's probably faster than me anyway, but I'm really not trying to, like, pass him. I just want to hold distance. I don't want him to think that I'm looking for a pass. I'm just going to hold this nice, healthy distance, let the car cool down a little bit. He's probably thinking, yeah, I don't necessarily need to roast my brakes on the downhill sections. Now, the big tragedy would be if we saw a yellow 997 on the way down while we're climbing up, because I really want to go see Jay and Nicole. I told them I'd be a little late. Hopefully they're there. Oh, he's on it now. God, I love driving. Starting to see pieces of snow on the ground too, so you can tell the weather changes pretty wildly from bottom to top up here. Ooh. Can't believe this is in people's backyards. They can just go drive this whenever they want. What a treat. Another Type R. Yeah, boost blue, baby. All right, we are here, man. Oh, what a treat. Oh, I'm so happy. Welcome to Good Vibes Breakfast Club, boys and girls, where all your car show dreams come true. Look at this. Yeah. We're a little late to the party, so not a million cars up here. But this should do just fine. I'm a happy boy. Let's see. We'll park up next to these boys here. That should do just fine. Let's go find Jay and Nicole. Oh, God, I love this car. So much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Don't forget to respect the drive, and I'll see you in the next one.